It is time again for our monthly essential oil recipe box unboxing, and I am so excited. I always love seeing what comes every single month, and I'm so glad that you have joined me. And I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my videos, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. The monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth is $39 a month and includes 4 full-size oils, 6 recipe cards, as well as other goodies to make those recipes. But right now, I have a great deal for you. If you go to simplyearth.com and type in the code CRAFTYFREE, you will get a free $40 gift card with your first subscription box order. So that means you can either buy one, get one free, or you can purchase other supplies from their shop. So that is such a great deal. Now, along with the monthly essential oil recipe box, you also get the big bonus box. Now, this comes every 6 months and is absolutely free, no additional costs. Now, when you receive the big bonus box, your monthly kit will come inside. So it'll be packaged like this. And then on the other months, the other 5 months, you will get the box just like this in the mail. But let's take a look at the big bonus box and see what is inside. We've got beeswax, and it's 100% pure. I want to point out that everything from Simply Earth is 100% pure. We've got coconut oil. Now this is the cold pressed, fractionated coconut oil. So this is the liquid oil. This is a carrier oil. And then we have another carrier oil, almond oil. Then we have 6 amber glass bottles that are roll-on. Every month you get a roll-on recipe, as well as a dropper bottle, because every month you get a diffuser recipe. I love the diffuser recipes. They are totally my favorite. So everything you get for $39 a month is such a great deal. And I also want to point out that 13% of the profits through all of Simply Earth purchases go to end human trafficking. And that is such an awesome cause that I love that they stand behind. All right, are we ready to open it up and see what's inside? Let's cut that seal and take a look inside. I love this part. Yay! Okay, let's take a look at our oils first. We've got hoe wood. And of course you have to smell them. I like that. It almost has a hint of like mint, but it's a woody smell. Citronella. And I already know what this one smells like. Yep, smells like citronella. I bet you there's some fun summer recipes in this June box. Orange, and this is sweet orange. I love citrus smells. I love them all. And timber, so another woody smell. Oh, the woods, I love it. And then our extras include some body oil base, diffuser jewelry mini kit, air dry clay, and let's take a look at our recipes. We have timber beard oil. Ooh, I bet you my husband would like that. Nature's Calm roll-on. Earthy diffuser necklace, beach feet sugar scrub. Oh, I love a good sugar scrub. And woodland diffuser blend. Oh, and one more, boho diffuser bracelet. And of course, we have the matching stickers. I love that they come with the matching stickers. We've got the sticker for the top of the bottle, as well as for the roll-on and the diffuser, so that the labels match the Simply Earth labels. And I absolutely love that. Make sure to go to simplyearth.com today and order your box, and don't forget that promo code. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. While you're here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. And of course, you can always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.